my channel. It's Njonku. Today I've decided to do a video on how to take care of the skin. That's why my hairs are like this. It's because I'm going through my transition to the natural hair. I'm going with a little transition, coming back to the natural hair look like. So that's why normal. Alright, there exist several types of skin. There is skin that's normal, the oily skin, like mine, the dry skin. So today I'll be talking mostly about the oily. Alright, the product I'll be using today will be a teaspoon of sugar plus half of tomato. Firstly, sugar is a good exfoliating product for the face since it doesn't irritate the skin or the face. And also, tomato is a good. Alright, I'll be showing how I'll be mixing the two products together to have a mixture. Okay, so they'll be showing how to mix the two products. I will start by taking care of my tomato, and after all the process I will be using a teaspoon of sugar plus and I'm using also tomato after crushing it. So I'll be mixing the two and I'll apply on my face, and after that applying on my face like circular motion, like turning, I'll be applying like that. So actually I will be doing like 5 minutes with it and blending, and later this my face after washing. It feels so fresh, it feels so nice, and voila, and look, it feels so fresh and you feel the skin very nice, and it's really thank you all for visiting my channel, and hope see you next. Please don't forget to subscribe on the little heart button down, please, and goodbye, and thank you. See you.